Poco F7 Ultra. So this mobile is going to release soon in India. Let's talk about this mobile. First of all, this mobile comes with a 6.67 inches of Dolby Vision supported, HDR10 plus supported AMOLED display, and it is going to be a 120Hz refresh rate display. And it is a this mobile is going to come with a Poco Shield glass protection instead of corning a Scott Sensation one. To talk about this mobile's processor, this mobile is going to come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is the fastest chip till now. That is a 3nm based octa-core 5G processor. Now, when we talk about 5G, yeah, this mobile does come with the 13 plus 5G bands in India. When we talk about this mobile's availability, this mobile is available in two variants till the news now. That is 12GB RAM 512 and 16GB RAM of 16GB of RAM and 1TB of internal storage. These are UFS 4.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM types. This mobile is coming with triple cameras in the back side, the 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a 32 megapixels of ultra wide angle and a 50 megapixels of periscopic zoom lens. Yeah, we can shoot up to 8K 30 fps with this mobile's back camera, and for the front it is coming with a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. And in terms of battery, I would say that this mobile could get a bigger and better battery, but till now there is a good battery, that is 5300 milliamp of battery. 5600 milliamp of battery, and this supports 120 watts of fast charge through wire and 50 watts of wireless charge and 10 watts of reverse wireless charge. And when we talk about the operating system, yeah, this mobile runs on Android version 15 out of the box with Hyper OS 2. This mobile comes with a stainless steel body and front back glasses. You can feel premiumness when you hold this mobile in your hand. And when we talk about this mobile's other features, like this mobile comes with a stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack. This mobile comes with a Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 6.0, which is the latest one. And this mobile also comes with NFC. This mobile comes with all the sensors like proximity sensor, gyroscope, accelerometer, compass, and everything. NFC. This mobile also comes with the IP68 water and dust resistance proof. Yeah, so when we talk about the box contents, this mobile comes with the mobile itself, TPU case, charger, cable, and also SIM ejector tool and some quick start guides and stuff like that. So these are the features of this mobile. When we talk about the price, yeah, this is the unknown thing, but according to my estimation, this mobile, if this mobile released by like 49 to 55 in that range, it will give a good competition to the upcoming the OnePlus 13 mini and like iQOO 13. So that's the price point I'm asking for this mobile. So these are the features of this mobile. If you like this video, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share. So thanks for watching.